जरूरत हो और चाहो
Everyone talks about growth, mindset, motivation, level up, explore, evolve, but behind those closed doors, you feel stuck. You try the affirmations, you repeat the mantras, but still nothing changes. Everywhere you scroll, someone is screaming, get better. But no one tells you how to grow or what growth really feels like. We have been sold this idea that having a growth mindset means believing you can grow.
Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do
And here's the hard truth. It's not because you are broken. It's because the way you have been taught to grow is broken.
अपनी लाइफ चेंज करनी है ना, आपको ना गायब होना पड़ेगा. You will have to absolutely disappear.
2025 में इन 5 स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके अपनी लाइफ कंप्लीटली बदल सकते हो. नंबर 1,
What if the real growth is a lot messier, less pretty, and more painful? Less about thinking positive and more about facing the uncomfortable parts of yourself. Real growth does not look like an highlight reel. It looks like showing up on those days you feel like quitting. It looks like asking, what did I learn from this? Instead of, why me? You want to grow? Then stop waiting for the motivation. Stop worshipping the idea of potential. Start building skill. Start chasing feedback. Start embracing failure like it's your teacher, not your enemy. We have turned the growth mindset to feel good slogan, but growth is not a mood. It's not believing you can win, it's committing even when you are losing. We post quotes, we note, yes, I got it, but that's not the growth. That's just the noise. Let me show you what real growth looks like. It's not aesthetic, it's not motivational, it's messy. It's look like failing a test you have studied hard for, getting hosted after your best pitch, starting a side hustle that gets zero traction, and still showing up the next day. It's not about believing that you can get better. It's about proving it with an action. Not once, but daily. Most people quit here because this is not sexy. But this is where the real mindset begins. This is the growth mindset that they don't talk about in your feed. Not a vibe, not a filter, but a system, a habit, a war you fight with yourself every damn day. I used to think that I had a great mindset too. I read the books, I watch the reels, but deep down, I was terrified of failure, terrified of looking dumb, but that's not the growth, that's the ego in disguise. The day I stopped needing to look smart, that's the day I started getting smarter. A real growth mindset means you don't chase validation. You seek feedback. You fail on purpose to learn faster. You say, I don't know anything about it, but I'll figure it out. Growth is just not about success. It's about how you respond to failure. Here is how to start living the mindset. Track your progress, not your perfection. Ask for criticism, not compliments. But if you get it, don't deny it. Do one thing daily that scares your ego. Surround yourself with people who tell you the truth. If you are not failing weekly, you are not growing deeply. If you are done waiting to be perfect and ready to be painfully real with your growth, then it's the time. Time to outgrow who you are. Time to stop just thinking about the mindset. Time to stop just talking about the mindset and start working on it.